Here's a simple truth about real estate that nobody posts on internet. The meter never stops running. Even when a property sits empty, it's costing you money every single day. Those are your holding costs, and if you don't control them, they will control your profit. So, what are holding costs? They're all the ongoing expenses you pay while you own a property but before you sell or fully stabilize it. Think of it as your cost per day to wait. Let's break it down. Financing. Mortgage interest, hard money interest, points spread over the hold, loan servicing fees, property taxes. These accrue daily even if you pay them quarterly. Insurance, hazard, landlord, builder's risk, utilities, water, power, gas, trash, internet. Yes, even for showings. HOA or condo dues, maintenance and lawn care, mowing, snow removal, pest control, pool service, repairs and punch list while you finish work, security and alarms, staging, storage, permits, inspection refees if timelines slip, opportunity cost, capital tied up, time tied up that can't go somewhere else. Here's the quick math. Daily holding cost equals total monthly holding costs divided by 30, then multiply by days on market or days to complete. Example time, say you're flipping a house. Monthly numbers, $2,100 interest, $450 taxes, $150 insurance, $300 utilities, $200 HOA, $200 maintenance and landscaping, $100 security. That's $3,500 per month. Divide by 30. About $117 per day. If the project runs 45 days longer than planned, that's 45 times 117, about $5,265 gone. And that's before you consider price reductions or market shifts. For buy and hold investors, when a unit is vacant, add lost rent to your daily cost. If market rent is $2,000 per month, that's about $67 per day. Combine that with your $107 cost, and your empty unit burns $184 per day. Start with the end date, reverse engineer your timeline, and assume a 20% delay buffer. Price to the market, not your wish list. Every extra week is expensive. Front load fixes buyers care about, kitchens, baths, curb appeal, so you hit the market fast. Pre-schedule inspections and order materials early. Align closings, negotiate rent-backs, short leasebacks to avoid double holds, explore bridge financing, rate buy-downs if they reduce your daily cost meaningfully. Keep utilities on but on miser mode. Smart thermostats pay off. Stage smart. A one-time fee beats extra weeks vacant. If a sale stalls, pivot to short-term or mid-term rental to cover the burn. Track everything in a simple spreadsheet. When you see the daily number, you make faster decisions. Here's the mindset shift. Profit isn't just buy low, sell high. It's buy, manage the clock, then sell. Your real competition isn't other listings, it's time. Before you buy, run the hold scenario. What if interest rates jump? What if it sits 60 days? If the deal still works with conservative holding assumptions, you've got a real deal. Know your daily cost, respect the timeline, and make time work for you, not against you. If this helped, save it for your next walkthrough, and run your numbers before you sign.